Hi, Jamie Richmond here from AB Building Products. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Penosil Pest Repellent Foam. So it's a gap filling straw foam with pest and mice repellent additives, also thermal insulation and also 62 decibels of sound insulation. It's important to make sure that the can temperature is correct, so you can see closely on there the can temperature wants to be 20 degrees C, application temperature above 10 degrees C. Take the lid off. What you'll see is inside there's a little package in there with some latex gloves. You take those out. Next you need to just screw on the foam straw nozzle like so. I think that's fully on. If you get a spray bottle, it's a good idea to spray the area with some water to increase the expansion of the foam and the adhesive quality as well. So we're going to fill up this hole here. So we'll just spray the air with water, like we said. And to operate the can, it needs to be upside down like so. You need to give that a good shake to get that going. And it's important that you only put in 50% of the foam to begin with because of the expansion. Hold the can like so. Once that's fully cured and set, which depending on how much you put in there can take up to 24 hours. So just cut that off, and then you can also sand it as well, some sandpaper. You can paint over it afterwards or get some mortar mix and apply that over the top of the foam. Okay, so we're finished up now. So this is a one-time use only can. So once you're done, pack it up, take your gloves off. You're done. Okay, we're back the next day just to check. The foam is now fully set. It's all gone hard, as you can see. So what you need to do now is just get a serrated blade, like a bread knife, hand saw, and we're going to use this serrated blade on a penknife. And all you need to do is just cut this off. So that's broken off there like that. So this bit that we dropped on the floor earlier, don't worry about that, that could just pick up and come off. So the only thing that is going to affect foam is UV ray, sunlight. So what will happen, that will discolour slowly over time, and eventually over a long period of time could start breaking down. So it's good and important to cover that over so you can paint that, varnish it. But what we're going to do is we're going to use this Soudal Cement Repair product, so it looks like the brick mortar. So we'll be applying that in a moment. And then we'll cut the nozzle tip to the desired bead size that we're going to want, like so. So now we're going to apply the Soudal Cement Repair. This particular colour is beige. It also comes in grey, but I'm sure there'll be many other different brands similar to this. That just covers the foam over to stop it being affected by the UV ray. yeah, we're done.